Welcome to the AARDY.compare.com YouTube channel for travel tips. I'm Jonathan Breeze, the CEO, and today's topic, airline flight insurance. Well, we think that airline flight insurance is a great idea, but buying that flight insurance from the airline itself is a terrible idea. Now, every time we check, we see bad coverage and incredibly expensive policies. Now, should this be any surprise, airlines like to charge us hundreds of dollars just to change our seat. They seem to mark up services they offer their travelers. Now, why would airline flight insurance be any different? Airlines charge so much more for their flight insurance policies than we see in the normal market. So our advice is to take a look at a travel insurance marketplace like AARDY Compare and shop around. It'll take you less than 2 minutes to get a completely anonymous quote and let you compare and contrast what your airline or travel site is offering you. So we ran a few examples. Now, we picked a United flight for $915 and they quoted $57 for flight insurance. We looked at American for $929 flight and they offered us for $92 their flight insurance. And finally with Delta for a $632 trip, they quoted $47 for their airline flight insurance. Yet when we compared against the travel insurance market, we saw far better products and prices than those being offered by the airlines. Now, the US has some first-class specialist travel insurance carriers. They are underwritten by insurance giants like AIG. Now, their flight insurance plans routinely come in at half the price of those offered by the airlines themselves. Moreover, the specialist plans typically have medical and evacuation cover between 5 and 10 times as much as the airline's policies are offering. So we use Delta's policy as an example. Now, most airlines have very similar, if not identical, coverages and limitations. So one immediate item to note is that the airline insurance has pretty limited cancellation benefits if you cancel for work reasons. So the Delta policy will cover you if you get laid off, but not if your company needs to cancel your vacation. Also, this coverage only works if you've worked for the employer for 3 continuous years. Now, a cancel for work reason option ought to help solve this problem. In summary, coverages with the airlines are not extensive and their policies are not cheap, so our advice is to shop around. Safe travels.